How to add SEI network to Keplr wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, just open your Chrome browser or any other browser of your preference, and on the search bar just search for Voltex protocol, and after that just search for it, and here just click on the first link on the top and it will take you to the main website of the Voltex, and this will look something like that. And from here just go ahead and click on trade now. And here you will see the option to connect wallet at the top right. Just click on it. Now you will see this pop up. Just click on I understand the risk of the protocol and click on continue. And over here just click on Keplr, and it will ask you to approve your permission to link your SEI network to your Keplr wallet. So just click on approve, and after that just open your Keplr wallet, and here just click on the hamburger icon from the top, and now you will see the option called manage chain visibility. Just click on it, and now on the search bar just search for SEI, and over here just select the SEI network and click on save. And now when you open your Keplr wallet, you will be able to see the SEI network added in your Keplr wallet attached. So this is how you will be able to add SEI network to your Keplr wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.